Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read te or shu in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means hand. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like shu. On its own, it is usually te. A hand with fingers and a wrist. The lines are the fingers spread out. Now let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen. In order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Te means hand. Jouzu, jouzu means skillful. And tegami means letter. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Me, read ke, hair. Bo, read uma, noon. So that's te, hand. 4 strokes, read te or shu. Try writing it 5 times today.